Okay guys, can we just talk about my packing, because this is the best that I've ever done. I think we're done with this. Also taking like these 2 ginormous jackets just because my mom said that it might be like really cold up there. My mom's coming at like 1:30 to pick us up, so I'm gonna have like 30 minutes. Skin is like glowing though. It's just I did my skincare and it's really like a lot of glowy products, so it just makes me like oily, like a Tin Man. Right now I'm just getting my computer stuff together because I'm probably gonna edit a couple things up there. I don't know, we'll see. I should bring it just in case. Computer into my little bag for my computer. Also, I'm gonna put on some lotion really quickly because my legs are so ashy. Oh no. Okay, I do not know when my mom went to get all of these snacks. My favorites, also my favorites, brown sugar Pop-Tarts, cheese, macaroni, just like on the go when we're in the hotel rooms. Currently having a meetup. Okay, cute. Cozy. Okay, this is cute. What about the ocean view? Just brushed my hair, as you guys can tell. Now it looks crazy. Where are we going to, Mother? Fisherman's Wharf. Yes. That's where we're going.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh. What's up, YouTube? We're here at Monterey Bay's Fisherman's Wharf. Oh.
I look really
Put the mask back on. I'm about to get drunk.
Thank you.
I want to be next to the window. I want to see the sea. Here, Caleb.
halfway in the water.
Hello, friend. Hey guys, my wedding is in 2 months. What's up, YouTube? So Kayla just got her ring, and it was like pretty expensive at first, but when she brought it up to the register, it was half off, so she got a pretty good deal. I saw a pretty ring in there that I kind of want, like made me think about getting like an engagement ring for my boyfriend and everything. So just be ready for that wedding vlog, guys. Okay, well here, take it back, I'm done. Okay, we're going into another store.
All right, okay.
Fine.
Got us boiling water so we can make our spicy noodle.
Chicken noodle? Right there?
Yeah, that's fine. Oh no, foggy.
Are you thinking about life?
Yes, I am.
Hello, Bella. Where have you been, Loga? Okay, guys, so we're gonna walk down these stairs. See a nice, pretty little view. Love all the vibes here. Bella, where? I can't. Okay, even this view in itself is so pretty, like with the stairs in the background. Like imagine just coming here and sitting on the stairs and you're just having a bad day and you're like, you know what, I'm just gonna think about life or think all my life decisions. I don't know. We are now headed off to our next destination. We all look nice except I'm literally wearing my dress and my sweatpants. Going to Capitola. I don't know what that is. Yeah. Going to your home. Whoa. Hey guys, so we are now leaving the hotel. I haven't been like vlogging at all in the hotel room because it was like a mess. Hi friends. It's pretty. Lots of Twilight vibes. It's so weird. We literally have a little like hotel to ourselves. It's really strange. It's very interesting. Aww.
One baby king.
This is so cute. It's like a little, it's simple. Cute.
We pretty much spent most of our time in like the popular areas in Santa Cruz, so downtown, which is really cute. Lots of like cute little shops. Had a really awesome coffee place there, and then we also went to the boardwalk. We didn't go on the rides or anything, but we ended up going to like a food place near it. It was also really good.
This is our last day in Santa Cruz. We're gonna go on this hike right now in the woods, of course, because it's pretty much like majority of Santa Cruz is just a bunch of woods and trees.
Now run. Oh. Do it again.
As if you could outrun me.
Happy birthday.
Dude, it's not gonna focus. It's my birthday. Be 19th to me. If you made it this far, or if you skipped this far, unfortunately you missed out on a bunch of fun stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed that little segment of my vacation. It's pretty much the majority of the video, obviously, but of course now is the moment that I share a little mini haul of what I got for my birthday because it's fun to do these things. I also will have 2 other unboxings at the end of this video, which you guys definitely are going to want to check out. Some of you guys have been waiting for me to unbox a certain thing. Starting off, I'm just gonna go right on into the jewelry that I'm wearing. This is all stuff that I bought on my trip. A lot of these things that I got for myself. I didn't ask for anything. I have everything that I need. These ones actually, so this one and this one, don't mind my nails, I'm getting them done today. This one and this one, my cousin actually gave me for my birthday. She's making a ring shop on Etsy, so I'll let you guys know when that's up. And this one I got, it's turtle, rose gold. Got this at a shop up there. This one I got like on a guy selling on the road. Yeah, it was like really cheap and affordable, so I was like, you know, might as well just go for it. I got got a lot of jewelry. I got this piece of jewelry at this like shop. A lot of shops there, like, you know, boutiques that are selling Santa Cruz stuff like this that I bought. So I got that. And my sister actually has this in blue. So that's kind of why I got it, because I wanted to match with her. I wanted to share these necklaces with you. I didn't necessarily get these for my birthday. I got a pack of six necklaces from Amazon, and this is what they look like. They're all like the same kind of design, but they're all like in different colors. I will have that linked down below. It's just hot pink, which is really cute. The rest of them are kind of elsewhere. I have to find them. Classic me just losing my stuff already. But I've been wearing this one a lot because I thought that one was just like really freaking cute. You get a pack of 6 for $21, which is a great deal. Best friend got me a couple things for my birthday because she is the best. She got me a matching necklace. She has the same exact one. I told her the only thing that I would want is literally matching jewelry with you, so I thought that was really cute. She also got me RBG car LED strip lights, which is kind of okay, which is just great because that is such a thing that I obviously would put on my car and I didn't have. And when I figure out a car situation for college, these will be going in there because what a fun time to just have strip lights in your car. She kept asking me what I wanted. I literally couldn't tell her anything, and then she was curling my hair and I was like, yo, like that's a good curling wand. I didn't have one that was good, so she decided to get me this. I've already used it and I burnt something on it because I'm very smart like that. It's really nice. I think this one's affordable. It's by Bedhead. When I was there, I also got this necklace as well. I got it from like a little cute shop. It's really pretty. That is pretty much everything that I got. I do have 2 unboxings to show you guys. You guys might know what I'm unboxing if you don't know already. It's the Canon M50 and something else that you guys should stay to see because it's awesome. That will be the next couple seconds, like right now. Today I'm going to be unboxing something interesting. You're into just cameras and you want to get into YouTube videos. Oh, my hair's still white back there. Like I was saying, if you're maybe getting into YouTube or maybe like photography, I don't know, maybe you want to see this. I honestly just love watching unboxings myself. Did pick up the Canon EOS M50, which is a pretty good camera. Here, a lot of people talk about it. I know a lot of people use it. It was on sale when I got it, as I had like just received it and I was gonna post on my Instagram like saying like this is on sale if you're into getting on YouTube. Then I checked the price and it went back up. I also ended up getting one of these, which I thought might come in handy. I'll start off with the camera because I think that's what we're all really here for. I'm clearly struggling a bit, but this gives me like throwback vibes to around last year when I was just unboxing the G7X Mark II. That's also still really in great shape. I'm still going to be using that camera. Also, this is just like US manual guides, user manual. This is the body. This is just like without the lens. I also have this just goes around it if you want to be extra cautious. I never did that with my G7X, which is really bad. We do have one battery charger. Might pick up some more. That's just the camera charger. Lastly, we have the lens. It comes in this like little bubble wrap, nicely packaged. Take that down. Here's the lens. Here we have these two. I'm actually gonna put this on. I'm just gonna do that really quick. You're just gonna like match it up while you stick it in there, move it around till it clicks, and there you go. Oh, that is so cute, guys. It's very lightweight. Like, you can also just find this at Best Buy, test it out, see how you like it. Sometimes they do have them on so you can like test it out, you know, see if you like the coloring and everything. So that is pretty much my unboxing. I would unbox this, but I don't know if there's like too much to it. Should I just do it? I feel like I should just do it for fun. I'm doing this backwards. Oh, this right here, but it's like for your phone. So if you want to set this down on your phone, you would just twist it and then you could set your phone and like vlog with that as well. It's really nice and like super easy for like when you just want to vlog, and especially if you're doing like clothing hauls, you just want to hold it and show off the pieces, or even just like, hey guys, I like this, so I wanted to pick it up, and it also moves like a little robot. Next up, we're going to be unboxing something that I did not expect to have to unbox. My dad actually kind of recommended for me to unbox this and do like a little, I don't know, reveal. I don't even know. So my dad decided to pick up an iPhone 12 Pro Max. This isn't for me. I don't need a new phone. My dad offered it to me. Of course, I would have to pay for it. Maybe sometime in the future if I ever decide to. He decided to pick this up because he literally had an offer that he could not pass up. Thought, you know what, why not pick this up as a camera for the family? My mom records a lot of my sister's basketball games. So with that all being said, I'm gonna unbox this because let me just say I was talking for like quite a bit. So let's open this up. That was really anticlimactic. That happened so fast. She's a beauty, eh? Wow, that's really freaking pretty. This icon, she's a legend. She is huge, ginormous. Got the 3 gigantic cameras. Don't even have this off, so let's take this off. We get, you know, the classic charger. I don't think you get like a block that comes with it. Yeah, you don't get it, which is really weird. And now you have it's actually what I use on my computer. So this type of plug, I think it's USB-C cable. I have no idea. Look at the silver, or is that like, it's not glass, aluminum? Freaking knows, I don't know. I'll probably show you guys what it looks like after it's set up. I'll show you guys some pictures, maybe like the quality and everything, and then that'll be it for this unboxing. Okay, thanks.